The 2024 Ford Kuga combines versatility and modern style, perfect for today's on-the-go lifestyle. Experience the quick clear heated windscreen for immediate visibility on frosty mornings and the Thatcham Category 1 alarm for enhanced security and peace of mind, ensuring your journeys are both comfortable and secure. Step inside to find a 12.3-inch digital color instrument cluster for clear information and partial premium touch Sensico upholstery for added comfort. Call or visit Hendy Ford Horsham today to schedule your test drive of the 2024 Ford Kuga. Speak to our team about paint protection, tire and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.